welcome to the Voice of the Lord. Our verse for today is in 1 Timothy 6, verse 17. Command those who are rich in this present world not to be arrogant, nor to put their hope in wealth, which is so uncertain, but to put their hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. This is a command that we should all take to heart. Let us not be arrogant. If we consider ourselves wealthy, let's not be arrogant. Let us not be proud. Let us not put our hope in our wealth, in our riches. Because we are told today, friends, that these are so uncertain. You cannot put your hope in this. But rather, put your hope in God, who richly provides for everything that we need in life for our enjoyment. Yes, friends, the riches of this world cannot give full enjoyment of life. You know that a lot of people that are rich are not enjoying their lives. They are burdened, rather, because of their riches. If you want to know more about this, read the book of Ecclesiastes, and you will see how King Solomon had described the life of rich people. He was saying that even the rich, friends, cannot sleep at night soundly because they are always thinking about their riches, how to protect their riches. And they consider every effort that they've done, friends, to accumulate those riches as vanity. It's chasing after the wind. It cannot give full enjoyment of life. But we are told today, friends, that there is one way by which we can enjoy life fully, and that is to put our hope in God. Amen. Because if we put our hope in God, He will bless us so much, friends, richly bless us with everything that we need in life to enjoy. Yes, even if we just live a normal life, friends, if the Lord blesses each one of us, that blessing, friends, goes a long way in enjoying life fully. Yes, it gives you a burden because that is the promise of God. The blessing of the Lord gives wealth, and He adds no sorrow to it. Yes, He will not add any problem to the blessing that you're receiving from Him because it's from Him. You are depending on Him, and therefore it gives full enjoyment of life. But if that riches is just the riches of this world and you are depending on it, we are told, friends, that, well, don't be arrogant. It can go anytime. And when it is gone, it is gone. And where will you be? Will you be enjoying life still after? Maybe no longer. That's why a lot of people, when they go bankrupt, friends, they kill themselves. They commit all kinds of wickedness. They even commit suicide. Because what they are depending on is gone. Because it is so uncertain. The world of this world is so uncertain. And therefore, let's not put our hope in this world. Rather, let us be rich in our faith in God, depending on Him, trusting in Him, and He will provide everything. We are to trust everything that we need for the enjoyment of life. And God is that, including health. Health, friends, is wealth. Amen. He will bless us with good health, strength, and even long life. And God can do that, not wealth, friends. The money of this world cannot add life. It cannot give us health, full health, friends. A lot of people that are rich are very sick. But God can provide health and wealth at the same time. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May His face shine upon you and be gracious unto you. May He lift up His countenance on you and give you His peace. God bless. See you next time. Bye.